Jenkins.
And I'm Rachel Dietz.
And we are going to be presenting to you the conversion of starch to sugar enzyme chemistry lab.
The purpose of this lab is to demonstrate how enzymes convert starch to sugar through experiences dealing with flavor and chemical composition.
A little bit of background about enzymes. They catalyze most chemical changes that occur in the cell, and they are most responsible for breaking down or building up biological compounds.
Starch digestion begins in the mouth. As the food is chewed, amylase in the saliva hydrolyzes the bonds that link the long chains of glucose. Now we are going to be making some eggs for the first reaction of our experiment.
We'll be doing 2 reactions today, and for the first reaction you're going to need some saltine crackers or bread and some cooked eggs.
The first reaction deals with flavor determination. So here we have our saltine crackers, and we are going to chew them while noting any change in flavor that happens in our mouth.
As you're chewing, you notice that the cracker gets sweeter because the enzymes in your saliva are breaking down the starches and turning them into sugars.
For the next part of the reaction, we have to eat eggs, and the reason we chose eggs is because they don't contain starches, so they will not get sweeter as we chew them.
We hope. Hey Rachel, did you notice any change in the flavor?
Why no, Riley, I didn't. Wow.
Wow. For reaction 2, you're going to need 2 grams of potato starch,
2 drops of iodine,
2 test tubes,
1 milliliter of saliva,
and 31 milliliters of water.
Reaction 2 deals with the chemical determination.
So for this reaction, you're going to put 16 milliliters of water in a test tube labeled without saliva.
Now I have here 1 gram of potato starch, and you're going to add it to the solution to the water without saliva.
And stir until fully dissolved. Place the tube in a 37°C water bath.
So here we have the 1 milliliter of saliva and the 15 milliliters of water, and we're going to be mixing them together. And then we're going to put this in the 37°C water bath.
No, we aren't.
Before we do that, we have to add the potato starch. It's 1 gram of potato starch.
And again, mix until all the potato starch is dissolved. Place the tubes in the 37°C water bath for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the test tubes and add 1 drop of iodine to each.
So the starch will bind to the iodine, and it'll develop a blue-black color, as you can see here. And this is the test tube without saliva. In the tube that contains saliva, the amylase in the saliva will hydrolyze the starch into sugar, and that is not able to bind to iodine, so it does not have the blue-black color.
What is the importance of saliva? Saliva contains the enzyme amylase, which catalyzes the breakdown of starch into sugar.
What is starch? Starch is a long chain of glucose molecules linked together. A single glucose or sugar molecule is called a monosaccharide. A chain of glucose molecules is a polysaccharide. Therefore, starch is a polysaccharide.
Starches! What is the significance of the 37 degrees Celsius temperature of the water? The 37 degrees Celsius temperature simulates the heat of the body, which is normally 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
What is an enzyme? An enzyme is a protein that acts as a catalyst to speed up chemical reactions in the body.
Explain what an iodine test is used for. The iodine test is used to determine if starch is present in a sample of plants or plant-based foods.
In conclusion, why are enzymes important?
Enzymes are important because they speed up chemical reactions. Without enzymes, chemical reactions in the body would take place too slowly to keep you alive.
For example, the enzymes in your gut break down large molecules into smaller ones to aid in digestion.
Woo! Thank you for watching our video on enzyme chemistry, converting starches to sugars. We hope you enjoyed it and would like to say that no dogs were harmed in the making of this video. Bye! Bloopers! Alright, Jake, you're going to chew this cracker and tell me if it tastes sweeter. Here, okay? Alright, Piper, you...
I think it does.
Yeah? Okay, cool, thank you.
Starch digest. Did you get?
Smells like potatoes. Really?
No, it does.